our newest kit, the Ultimate Nourish Repair and Lift Kit. It contains our two cult favourites, our 6 Oils of Rejuvenation and our Relax, Refine and Lift Iron Lip Cream. They will work together to support your skin, to help reduce fine lines, to plump the skin, to give a beautiful, beautiful glow that we all want. So when do you use this? You can use it every day, just like I do. I particularly use the Eye and Lip Lift Cream in the morning and at night. I use it around my eye area and around my lip area. With the 6 Oils of Rejuvenation, look, if I'm waking up and my skin's a little bit dry in the morning, I'll use it in the morning as well under my moisturiser. But this definitely goes on every night. I massage it in. It's a beautiful, calming, relaxing experience using the oil at night as well. So, why is the eye and lip cream so special? Well, it has 2 active ingredients in it. It has bakuchiol, so it's nature's retinol, and at the acmella, from the acmella plant, which acts like nature's Botox. It delays the formation and deepening of wrinkles. Sounds like a miracle product? Well, it is. Give it a try. I know you're just going to love this one. Our 6 Oils of Rejuvenation is the holy grail of oils. You've seen them all out on the market. This was one of the first, and it still remains the best and most sought after product in our range of skincare. And why is it so great? It's a beautiful, as I mentioned before, calming and restorative treatment when you're using it at night. It instantly will give you that plumpness, it gives you that glow, it's healing, and the beautiful oils were all chosen to work together, which is exactly what they do to help nourish and restore your skin to optimal health. The Ultimate Nourish Repair and Lift Kit. I use it every day. This is something you definitely want in your beauty arsenal. They work beautifully together.